आपका फुल स्क्रीन मोड में है। हाँ
विजुअल सर?
नहीं सर, आप एडिबल मोड पे जाइए, तो एडिबल मोड जो इनेबल एडिटिंग है। हाँ आप एग्जिट हो गए सर आप। सर स्क्रीन स्टॉप हो गया आपका, इसे शेयर करिए। प्रेजेंटेशन मोड पे जाइए सर।
प्रेजेंटेशन मोड पे हो नहीं रहा है। इट इज
हाँ
विजिबल से?
हाँ हाँ अब ना। ओके सर।
Okay. Good evening to the organizing committee and all the participants of this 7 days national training program. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. Myself, Pradeep Kumar Maurya, Department of Fish Processing Technology, College of Fisheries, Ayodhya. Northeast India has a rich fish biodiversity, and fish is, as we know, fish is very highly perishable due to high moisture content and protein. Due to the high moisture content and easily digestible protein, microbes are very susceptible to spoilage. Now coming to the traditional fish preservation method are widely practiced in the Northeast India, and traditional fish preservation method are important for food security, nutrition and livelihood. These are the major techniques employed in the Northeast India like sun drying, smoking, fermentation and salting. In the drying process in the Northeast India, the people are employed as sun drying. In the sun drying, fishes are cleaned, washed, and cut and dried under sun. For larger fishes, fishes are cut and split open. For smaller fishes, fishes are whole dried. In the drying process, moisture is removed and spoilage prevent. And drying process also reduce the water activity. Water activity means the water available for the microorganism. If the water activity is less, then microbes are prohibited. The drying process is a simple and very cost effective. There is no need of any complicated instrument. How to prepare dry fish? The first of all, we have to select the fresh fish. Fresh fish, then washing with potable water and removal of scale and gutting. Gutting means the removal of the intestine. After then salting. Salting are generally two types: dry salt and brine. In the dry salts, the salt powder are rubbed onto the surface of the fishes, and in the brine salting, we have to prepare brine solution. Brine solution means salt solution. Then fishes are deep in the salt. After that, sun drying. The fishes are spread over the bamboo racks. Yeah, mechanical drying means using of instrument. Moisture reduction up to 10 to 15%. Then packaging and storage. These are the photographs of sun drying. In the next step, smoking. Smoking means we have to generate the smoke over the fish surface of the fish. Smoking is an age-old method for preservation of fish in the northeastern state of India. Smoking involves removal of moisture content by drying and reduction of microorganism by deposition of smoke constituent. Because smoke constitute a phenolic compound, and antioxidant, antimicrobial that prevent the microorganism. This is exposed to smoke from burning wood, sawdust, and paddy husk. This process imparts a characteristic golden yellow color and smoky flavor to the fish. and also add flavor and increase the shelf life. Smoking is common in Assam and Nagaland. Traditional smoking process. First of all, fresh fish species are washed thoroughly and spread over on the wire mesh tray. Below the wire mesh tray, then fishes are exposed to flame and burn the skin. This process is repeated by turning the fish upside and down. The fishes are smoked by exposing it to smoke from burning paddy husk sawdust distance of about 30 centimeters below for 2 to 3 hours at the temperature of 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Then the smoked fish are spread on bamboo mats and dried under sunlight so as to reduce the moisture content. After that, that are stored and marketed at local market. These are the picture of smoked fish. If fishes are bigger, then we have to split open, then smoking. If smaller fishes, then that is directly smoked by burning the sawdust paddy husk. The next method is fermentation. Fermentation involves the breakdown of protein in the raw fish to simpler substances which are stable at the normal temperature. In the fermentation process, proteins are broken down by microbial and endogenous protease to yield the biopeptide. Fermented fish contribute a regular menu in the diet of the northeastern people of almost all categories. Fish stored in anaerobic condition. The example of the fermented product is very famous is the Shidal. Shidal improve flavor and preservation. How to prepare Shidal? Shidal is a salt-free fermented fish product indigenous to the northeast India. Shidal is exclusively prepared from the Puntius species, generally Puntius sophor, particularly known as Punti Shidal. The product is very much popular due to its strong fishy flavor. It is popularly called Sidal, Seppa, Hidal, Verma, and Shidal in the Tripura, Assam, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. In the particular, Assam and Tripura are the major producer of Shidal among the northeast states. The typical strong flavor of Shidal is due to the breakdown of fish protein and lipid, which produce some peptide, amino acids, indole, and scatol. The appearance of the product is solid, bilaterally compressed, and pasty. The shape of the fish remains almost unchanged except a little disintegration near the belly and caudal portion of the fish. The base color of the shidal is dull white. How to prepare shidal? For shidal preparation, there is a requirement of matka pot. Matka is oil processing. First of all, the matka is spread by the vegetable oil. Then the fishes are washed and soaked, and after that semi-dried. After that, filling of the matka and sealing of the filled matka. In the first picture, it shows the spreading the vegetable oil on the matka for closing the pores of the matka because we have to create the anaerobic condition. In the second picture, it shows the washing of the fish, Puntius sophor fish. In third picture, it shows filling of matka. In the fourth picture, it shows the sealing of matka. After the sealing, the matka is digged into the soil. The last picture shows the product, shidal. The next method of preservation is salting. In the salting, basically we add the salt onto the surface of the fish. How to preserve the fish by salting? Because salting lowers the water activity and removes the moisture content from the fish. There are two common methods of salting, dry salting and brining. In the dry salting, we use salt, dry salt, and rubbed on the surface of the fish. In the brining, we dip the fish in the brine solution of the salt. Fish are salted whole if they are small. If fishes are bigger, then cut split prior to salting for larger fishes. Salt remove moisture and inhibits microbes. Salting generally used combined with the drying process. How to prepare salted fish? First of all, fresh fish, then washing of the fish, then cutting and splitting of the fish. After that, salting, then draining of the moisture content, and then curing. Curing means drying of the product. See this picture. In the first picture, there is a larger fish. Larger fish means cut open the fish and dropped off the surface, salt surface. In the second picture, there is a small fishes. What are the scientific principle of the preservation? It reduces the moisture content and inhibit the microbes and control the pH. Use of salt and smoke compound. As I told, the smoke has the phenolic compound that preserve the fish. And what are the advantage of traditional preservation method? It is very low cost and eco-friendly, no modern equipment needed, and cultural importance in the northeastern states. And what are the limitation of this method? It is a weather dependent and hygienic issue, and it is short shelf life compared to the modern method. In the conclusion part, traditional techniques are sustainable and scientific influence can enhance the quality and safety of the product, and traditional method can boost the rural economy of the women and youth. Thank you, sir. Any questions, sir?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, session over, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, any participants have any query?